VW Transporter 2008. This is a 2008 Transporter T5. We're upgrading the cluster with one that has temperature gauge, and whoever had it before, they had to go at changing this. They put something strange. Now we're gonna put the proper one, and we have to code it in. We have to read the pin from this one, and we have to write it on this one, then match the mileage. To take it out, there are probably plenty of tutorials, but you got 2 screws under, and you can access it like that or like that, and then it reaches this side and that side. Then it's got 2 plugs. You start from this one, goes like that, you open it like that, it's like that, so you got a click there, and then you put it like that, and it comes out. You take it out, and then we do the work. And all cluster, new cluster, all works as it should. It's not that easy. Now the T5 has a working cluster with temperature gauge.